everyone, here is Barbara from GELGOOG. We are at our global R&D and manufacturing center. Today, I will introduce our garlic production line. Let's go. We got some customer feedback during the process. Garlic, they have some problem like the low peeling rate, the damaged garlic, and the machine very difficult to clean. This problem not only affects their product quality, but also it weakens their market competitiveness. So, traditional washing method can't meet the modern factory requirements. In order to solve this problem, GELGOOG provides a complete automatic garlic peeling, washing, and slicing solution. The brick machine uses ruler-type structure with adjustable gaps, allowing different garlic sizes. The peeling machine uses international advanced peeling technology. High-pressure air instantly removes the garlic skin, achieving a high peeling rate without surface damage. A skin collection system efficiently recovers garlic skin, keeping the workshop clean and organized. The whole line is equipped with a recycling water system, ensuring water and energy savings, easy cleaning, and convenient maintenance. Based on this solution, customers can further upgrade the production line to expand into garlic slice, garlic powder, and garlic sauce. This comprehensive garlic processing line has been installed in many countries and help our customer make their production line very stable and good quality. If you are also interested in this production line, please contact us. GELGOOG to make food production simpler and safer.